All right, ladies and gents, we got another one in. I had this car in front of me for a couple minutes before the salesman who sold it has to bring it for gas and then get it detailed. It'll be out of here around 3 o'clock today. This is our last 2020 C8 that we were able to order that came in for the 2020 model year. It is by far the most epic one we got in. This is a 3LT. It's an MSRP of $88,300 and it's just loaded up to the gills. Really beautiful color, the Elkhart Lake blue metallic, and they also went with the sky cool gray seats. Still has the plastic on the seats. I didn't take anything off. Again, it has to go get fuel, has to get fully detailed, but I wanted to just take a couple minutes to show you how this one was spec'd out. The first thing that'll probably pop out when you look at this car is the carbon flash metallic full length dual racing stripes. This is the first car I've seen with these. What I like about this is they also spec this car with the transparent top. Kind of hard to see, but the stripe runs along the top as well, and it gives you a really cool look inside when you look up and you can actually see the stripes right on the transparent top. I think that looks pretty cool. That looks pretty neat. The stripes obviously run down the whole car and then right down the rear fascia. Now this is a Z51 performance package, so you're getting the performance brakes, you're getting the performance suspension, the performance exhaust, the axle ratio, the Z51 rear spoiler, the high performance tires, and the heavy duty coolant. They also opted to go with the Trident spoke machine face sterling silver painted aluminum wheels. This is the first time I've seen these wheels in person. I think they look absolutely great. On this car, really complements and matches the sky cool gray interior seats. And also I really love that they chose the yellow calipers just to make it stand out a little bit. They also chose the carbon flash metallic painted mirrors, which again ties into the stripes, ties into the rear spoiler on the back deck lid. This thing looks awesome. It just really is done up real nice, real well. I don't even know if the customer came in and saw it in person yet. Again, it wasn't my deal, so I'm not really sure, but they'll be here around 3 o'clock today. And you know, I know they're gonna be a very happy client. I mean, who wouldn't be driving home in this thing today, right? This customer also opted for the front lift system. And another thing I haven't seen yet, he went with the chrome badges, both front and rear. That's something I haven't seen yet. Most cars that have come in had the black badging. The customer also went with the engine appearance package, which gives you that carbon fiber trim, looks fantastic. This is also the first 3LT that I've seen in person, and I gotta tell you, I love it. I mean, the interior materials that they use on the dash, on all the panels, the sway-like materials that run up the pillars, along the roof, behind the roof, and then even behind the seats. Like back here, this is all the same, like that suede Alcantara type material. They really just did a fantastic job. I mean, this car is absolutely gorgeous. What I have to do is I have to get it to the salesman so he can go get gas and get it to detail. And I'm gonna try to get some pictures or some video before the client picks it up when it's all detailed, ready to go, you know, out front. So what do you think? Do you like this spec? What would you have done differently? Would you have changed anything? You know, let me know. I'm just curious. Like, what I really enjoy about these new C8 Corvettes is pretty much every one you're seeing out there has been custom built. You know, everybody's building it to their spec because they're all basically pre-ordered. So it's really cool to see all the different designs and all the different combinations that people come up with. But let me get this back to them. I'll try to end this video with some footage of it all cleaned up, ready to go. And I'll see you in the next video. By the way, if you like Chevy content, dealership life, Chevy product, car sales, subscribe to the channel. There's a whole bunch of stuff that you can watch that basically just documents what it's like to be a salesman.